Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 easy fixes for OmeTV if it's stuck on loading screen, like what you can do. So first is to check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try turning off your router for 15 to 20 seconds and then turn it on again and then try again. Clear browser cache and cookies. So for example, if you're in Chrome, click on the 3-bar icon in the settings in your browser, navigate to privacy and security, find the option to clear browser data and click on it. And then try to reopen again. Fix number 3 is just to use a new tab or browser. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try opening it on a different tab or browser. Fourth solution is to remove or disable browser extension. If you're using Chrome or Microsoft Edge, go to extension section, remove or disable all of the extensions, and refresh the OmeTV website. And lastly, contact OmeTV customer support if none of the above steps are working. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.